Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford F150. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Next, make sure you have the correct oil type, typically 5W30, and a new oil filter for your truck. Finally, park your F150 on a level surface and allow the engine to cool down completely before starting. Now, let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a 15mm or 16mm bolt, underneath the engine. Position your drain pan directly below the plug. Carefully use your wrench to loosen and remove the drain plug. Let all the old engine oil flow completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/2 to 3/4 turn. Reinstall and securely tighten the drain plug. Finally, let's add the new oil and check the level. Locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine and carefully pour in the recommended amount of new oil, typically 6 to 7 quarts. Replace the cap, then start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Turn off the engine, wait a moment, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.